Now we will demonstrate the last stitch of S3. This is basket weave stitch. The center shows the completed effect. We can compare it. The colors used are color number 7 and color number 8. I will first use 6 strands of floss, color number 7. Bring the needle through at the upper right. Bring the needle down at the end of this line. Then bring the needle through to the left of the second line. Bring the needle down at the end on the right. A simple understanding is to first stitch a straight stitch. Bring the needle down at the end. This way, we have completed the first color. Use 6 strands of floss, color number 8 for the second color. Bring the needle through at the top right corner. Then bring the needle down through the second and fourth rows. Bring the needle down at the end position. Next, bring the needle through below the second column. Then pass through the line opposite to the first strand. Bring the needle down at the end. We repeat the previous steps to continue. The lines are interlaced with each other. We need to be careful not to pull the floss too tight. Pulling too tight will cause it to bunch up. If you thread it incorrectly, we can bring the needle through. Let's start over. All right, this is how we finish the embroidery. Slightly adjust the tension of the lines. This completes the basket weave stitch. Now we will demonstrate the last one. We will use 2 colors of floss for this pattern. Color number 3 and color number 6 with 6 strands of floss. We will start by using color number 3 to stitch. Our first layer of straight stitch is done. Then use color number 6 to complete the second layer. All right, the basket weave stitch in the middle is complete. The outline also needs to be embroidered with stem stitch. We are using 4 strands of floss, color number 6 for the outline. We have taught this stitch in S1. We can take a look at the demonstration. Let's get more familiar with this stitch. There is also a small handle on top. All right, all the stitches for S3 are complete.